Lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer mortality worldwide. There's a pressing need to have better tools so that the surgeons can also make the best treatment in a timely manner for lung cancer patients. This is Terence Wong, and I'm currently an assistant professor in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering at HKUST. My team and I have developed a new imaging technologies called CHAM microscopes, make a diagnosis in much shorter time and together with high accuracies. During lung cancer surgeries, it's indeed difficult even for the experienced doctors to confirm whether he or she did a good cut in removing all the cancer cells. So this CHAM microscope can really provide the medical professionals a high-quality images that they can understand almost immediately in just 3 minutes, and we're expecting the accuracies can go up to 90%. So the first leftmost column image is so-called CHAM or grayscale image that we can acquire using our CHAM microscopes. And after this process, we also have the artificial intelligence algorithm developed in our lab to virtually stain it to have this deep CHAM image. So you can see the purple dots. Do you see some of them are bigger? Those are so-called cancer cells. If the surgeons can see these kind of images during the operations, they can immediately tell whether he or she did a good cut in the surgeries. If not, then we can further cut more tissues and remove as much cancer cell as possible.
So my name is Victor Zhang. I'm currently a PhD student in bioengineering, working with Professor Terence Wong. And we also launched a startup called PhoMedics Limited, aiming to translate good research into commercialized product that can one day benefit patients worldwide. I come from a heavily research, science, engineering background, so doing business is kind of new to me. I would say the whole journey has been made easier with the help of different officers in UST, because they organize activities and provide platforms such as the Unicorn Day that kind of link us up or introduce us to a plethora of potential investors and also the industry, so that is of great help.
We have been working with Queen Mary hospitals and also Prince of Wales hospitals to conduct a clinical trial on site. So for CHAM, we are hoping that it can be starting its service in 2024. CHAM is just the beginning of the main focus of our research lab, and hope that in the future it's not only for lung cancer, it can be for all types of cancers. It can also be for other types of diseases as well.